Abracadabra, and now appears Kountry Boi. Where is he? Alrighty, everybody, welcome to my channel again. It's original Kountry Boi representing as usual. And today, what will we be doing? Yeah, I'll be giving you a little look and insight on how I clean the goat pen. So today you can dub this one Kountry Boi, your shepherd pen cleaner or whatever. Yeah, but so before we get into all of that, peeps, basically just arise and shine with the sun, you know. So me have to go brush up my little teeth and I'm gonna wash my face. So I'm gonna do that right now, and then we're gonna jump straight into the video. Yeah man, out there. Yeah, so let me go brush my teeth here with my personal remedy right here. I'll talk about what this is in another video, so stay tuned. Chaka, chaka, chaka. Toothbrush. Just take a little, you do like this, put it in your mouth. This is my personal container and personal mixture, so yeah, I can put it in my mouth. Ha. Just need a little bit. You get your toothbrush and you get messy, by the way. Yeah, wash it out. Alright, so teeth done brush, here's time to wash them. That's out of the way. Now, let's get into cleaning the pen. Alright, so when you're gonna clean the pen, peeps, you have to consider a couple things. The things you're gonna need, like for instance, your gloves, because you have to protect your hand, right? Because you're cleaning feces. The next thing is your boots. Yeah, your boots. You have to have your boots beside you like Dora. Yeah, I gotta put it on, okay? Yeah, after you put on your boots, let's make our way to the pen, people, because we're gonna get it clean, okay? Yeah, man. Alright, so this is one off the pen. And you can see say it well and clean, people. We have them, store them up on everything. Store the animals, yeah. You can see say feces they are grown. Over there's a dirty. Up there's a dirty, down there's a dirty, there's a dirty. So yeah. This is a me in for a lot of work, right? So today is Sunday, yeah. It's gonna be a lot of work for me. Alright, so now that we get through the items that we need to protect yourself, you should have wear a mask still, but yeah, man, I'm pro right about now, yeah, man. I can't get sick again. From COVID start, when I get sick. So yeah, next thing you're gonna need once we in at the pen is your rake. Preferably a big one like this so you can finish quicker. A little broom. Yeah, right there, so little broom. And the scraper. Where the hell is the scraper? Where the scraper there? I don't know her. Hold on the peeps. Me find it. So the scraper peeps. Yeah, you need a scraper. And now, once you have everything, let me show you how Kountry Boi get down and clean this rockstone dirty pen. Alright, let's get into it, people. Yeah, alright, so peeps, what I do, I clean same way, but you know me just a kinda shift up and fix up at the pen cause the goat them kinda mash up the separation chambers, so I have like put it back together. And you know that's what I gonna do another video. I'm gonna show you specifically how the most cost effective way as a goat farmer to make separation chambers. Yeah, so you can stay tuned and look forward to that. So yeah, let's continue back into it. Alright peeps, so after a long hour and a half cleaning, the pen finally clean to an extent. Yeah, so now what I'm gonna do is, you see, because there's sunshine outside, as you can see, yeah, I'm gonna leave the pen for air out a little bit, and then when I come back, I just set everything back in place. As in, take a look at what it looks like now. Yeah, man, board, yes, well dirty. I just said well dirty too. Yeah, poop after poop. Yeah, take a look now. It's looking much better. Separation chamber then look alright. Now, feel like this way a little bit, that's that later. You come on picking up there for do. Yeah. Yeah, peeps, so that's the way the cookie crumble. So yeah, man, right about now, I'm gonna rest my tired self. And everybody, it's your boy Kountry Boi representing in the bush as usual. And thank you for watching my video. As usual, please remember to like, share and subscribe. And I'll definitely see you again. Make sure nothing on my face, you know. Yeah, if anything on my face, put it in the comment section, please. Yeah, man. Adios, niños, niñas. Mad. Oh, totally forgot. I want to send shout out to my new YouTube family, man. Yo, Ernest John Closet. Hope I said her name right. Yeah. Big up yourself. I appreciate you a lot. You really helped me, gave me a lift the last time we did our little thing. You know, interview. Really appreciate the Kountry Boi magic. Big up yourself, man. Cha and the man, big up yourself. You need to come back to YouTube. Yeah, man. Everybody inspire me. Big up in yourself, yeah, man. Right about now. Kountry Boi signing out again.